This is the toe shifter which I bought for my Royal Enfield Classic 350. I bought this from an online website called Motorbike Customs. Link is in the description. The cost of this product is 600 rupees. The quality is good and feels sturdy in hands. The rubber used here is also fine. This is the size of the toe shifter and compared with that of the stock gear lever, which is the heel toe shifter. This 8mm T-spanner is the only tool which I am gonna use to install this new gear lever. The reason I am switching over to toe shifter from the stock gear lever is it just looks cool and that's it. And there are no other technical reasons for this lever replacement. Just take off this one hex screw and you can easily demount this stock lever. But the classic 350s which are being exported to other countries like UK have a toe shifter as their stock gear lever. Let's install this in that bad boy. But then I came to know that the stock hex screw is loose and hence I had to take my toolbox to find a perfect bolt for this 8mm hex screw. Click on the I button to watch the review of this toolbox. Motorbike Customs, the online website which I bought the toe shifter from, doesn't provide me with the hex bolt. After finding the perfect bolt, I got the new lever mounted without any further issues.
Many months later.
Having ridden my bike for almost 800 kilometers after the lever replacement, the issues I found is that while upshifting from first gear to second gear, the gear goes to neutral position, and the reason for this might be due to inadequate force while upshifting from first gear to second gear. This is not always the case, but I encountered with this issue 3 out of 10 times approximately. Another thing I noticed is that my footwear began to wear out to some little extent. This is not really an issue, but if you are having some good pair of expensive shoes, then you have to consider this factor while opting for a toe shifter. Other than this, there are no issues with this product, and I would definitely recommend this toe shifter because it costs just 600 rupees, and you can definitely try your hands out by installing this toe shifter to your Classic 350 and give your bike a newer look. Thank you. இப்படிக்கு yours faithfully, the Resistor.